Where'd it go?
Over there.
There's a bunny in our yard. Oh, did it get through?
Percy, no.
It's just sitting there because it's like the dogs are so dumb.
Percy, come here.
And the bunny's just sitting there perched. Be nice! Hey, be nice! Be nice! Be nice to it! The dogs see the bunny. They're like, oh my gosh.
It's a $2 It's a $2 whore.
Oh, it got through. It just left, I think. Hey, be nice!
Hey.
Oh, it's screaming.
Hey.
No, they're not doing anything to it. It's because it's trapped. It's bad.
Hey, stop it.
Was he doing something to it?
Yeah.
Who was? Percy?
Stop it.
Hey.
Move back.
I got a video now that our dogs are abusing their neighbors. Funny. It can hurt you, dude. Hey, dogs, go away, dogs. Oh. Oh, no. Hey, dogs, go on. No. Must be nice.